paid for this building.
My name's Denise. It was Wells. I'm married to Bill Cass. I'm Florence and Fred Wells' daughter, their oldest daughter. This is my husband, Bill. Bree, get up.
My name is Bree. I'm the daughter of Kelly Miller.
I'm Kelly Miller. I'm the daughter of Jimmy and Kathy Odom, which was Florence's daughter. This is my kid Brianna and my son Riggs. My husband's around here somewhere. I'm not sure where he's at.
He just went outside.
Hi, I'm Sherry Landgraf. This is my son Gavin and Aaron, and I'm the daughter of Jimmy and Kathy Odom. Next.
It's Alyssa. You gotta go.
James.
James. Stand up. Get your food out of your mouth.
I'm James, the oldest son, Jimmy and Kathy.
Hi, everybody.
My whole family.
Dina. All right, y'all gotta speak up. I can't hear you.
I'm Dina. Patty and Dean Wells' daughter. Baby. Florence. Granddaughter. Florence's granddaughter. My husband Tracy, TJ, and Jordan. And I want to say thank you to Reva for putting all this together. She did a wonderful job. I'm Patty Wells, widow of Dean Wells, daughter-in-law of Florence Wells.
Hi everybody, I'm Michael Wells. I am Wayne and Carolyn Wells' oldest son. Wayne is the oldest son of Florence and Fred. And my wife Jessica is here. My daughter Ashley is here. And I got two more that's lost. They ain't here, so no, they couldn't make it today.
And I wanted to tell everyone my sister's working and my brother is not able to.
I'm Tony Wells, oldest daughter of Dean and Patty Wells. This is my friend Jason, granddaughter of Florence and Fred.
I'm Kathy Odom, daughter of Florence and Fred Wells. My husband is Jimmy Odom, and the rest of my kids are floating around over here.
I'm Jim Betts, Ruth's son, my brother Pete, G, it's my wife Pam. We're local folks here, and oh, Zinda, what's that? Yeah, she's in here. I forgot about her. But anyhow, nice to see everybody again. Great eating. Thank you. Yeah.
I'm LaDonna Bird Bailey. This is my husband, James Bailey. My daughter, Robin. My son-in-law, Cole. And my grandchildren, Selena, Quentin, and Easton. I am the daughter of Donald and Patricia Bird.
I'm Shane Betts, son of Pete Betts, son of Ruth Betts Bird. Reva's favorite cousin.
That's right.
And, this is my wife, Adondra. And my daughter, Shauna Kay. My son, Skylar, and his fiance. And Shauna Kay's husband, Paul, and their daughter. And they have a couple other kids, and I've got several other kids. Why don't we just do it like that?
You know, I thought the Wells was gonna outdo us, but I believe the Betts came. There's a bunch of us here. I'm Pete Betts, son of Ruth Beck, and I've got a bunch of grandsons. Granddaughters. And cousins. But it's good to be here.
And a sister.
And a sister. This is my wife, Jeannie. But there is an uncle there. Yeah, I got an uncle over here too.
I am Cinda Patton, Ruth's daughter, and her favorite daughter, that's right. And I am the favorite sister of my brothers, so even though they forget me half the time. I live in Arkansas, but really glad to be here. Thank you. Oh, and this is, yes, his baby sister. It's my turn.
Well, they probably saved the best for last.
No, the middle table's last.
The middle table's last? No, he's already stood up.
Well,
We got the best is last. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm Twyla, granddaughter of everybody's favorite Uncle Buddy, and I'm glad to be here.
Introduce all of us.
Oh my goodness.
We don't have to.
I'm Joey Bird. I am the wife of Richard Bird, the baby bird boy. And I've got a bunch here. This is my granddaughter-in-law, my little great-grandson, Ashley. This is Ashley and Levi. This is my son-in-law, Martin Tennison, my daughter, Reva, my grandchildren, Keisha Bird. This is Percy's daughter, and her husband, Carlos.
My daughter Reagan is somewhere.
Yeah, Reagan's here somewhere.
And we have Liam in the womb.
I'm Lisa Wells. This is my daughter Jessica. My dad was David Wells, Fred and Florence's son.
I'm Jan Bramlett, and I'm the daughter of Edith and Bill Searcy. This is my husband Rex Bramlett here.
Who joined the Klan in 1960.
No, 99.
At any rate, I'm glad to be here, and I'm glad to have this lady for my wife.
We're glad to have you. I'm Judy Combs. I'm Edith and Bill's youngest daughter. And I'm
The baby girl, yeah.
I brought up the rear. I was the caboose, I guess.
Next trip down there, I'm gonna come down there and whoop her.
I'm Sandy Mauger. I'm the daughter of Edith and Bill Searcy, and this is my daughter Brandy Hassel.
Hi, everybody. You all well? My wife, Glenda? That's it. Bye.
No, you gotta tell them, hello, this is my brother.
I'm Percy. This is Keisha. That's Sky. That's Carlos. And we all here.
We belong to Richard.
Yeah.
We belong to Richard Bird. And there's Lucy. She missed on the, this is my sister Lucy. You want to say hello?
I'm just here to mow the grass.
Did y'all introduce yourself, welcome? This is Jordan. This is TJ.
No, I'm Juan. I'm just here to mow the grass.
Yeah.
He's one.
Yeah. This is Naraya.